Let me go over to another part of the layout. This little bridge I got there. So this is going to be a coal mine scene at some point. The whole color of the rock will be different. Right now it's a uniform tank, excuse me. But it kind of goes down and around. And here's another little town at the bottom of the loop down here. And at some point, that's my cat. Yeah, I've got critters in the house. Down you go, you turd. Eventually this part here, which is pretty darn cluttered up, it's going to be a yard. Major town, major yard. So, yeah, I've got a lot of clutter. So actually I've got two main lines. One is kind of the mountain loop that kind of goes all over the place, as you can see. And down here, that's the mountain loop. It just kind of goes underneath like that. So now I've got the, let me show you one more thing. Little suspended staging yard here. Staging slash storage. I'm kind of wrapping it around the furnace and the waste pipe, the sewer pipe. Here we go. Got a train coming through here. 4 tracks and suspended from the ceiling like that. Threaded rod down through here. And then threaded underneath. And I've got some steel here to reinforce the long pieces. So it's this is probably one part of the layout that's not necessarily visible, but I think came out pretty well. It's pretty sturdy too, so yeah. So anyway, that's kind of a quick tour of the layout. Also have another staging yard back here for the lower level. Kind of dead ends on the wall there, so, and it goes underneath behind there. Now the only disadvantage to having this layout in the family room is that we got critters here. There's critter 1. She's probably the most curious, most likely to die at a young age. No, hasn't been too bad. The fur hasn't been too bad. I'm able to clean things out fairly well, so they're decent little beasts. Anyway, another shot. The train going through. There. Alright, I'm knocking everything over. I'm signing off for now. So, kind of gives you an idea what things look like with some extra scenery on there. So, there you have it. Signing off for now.